Do you panic when you see 1430, 1800 or 2300 on the chart? Don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll be able to read military time confidently and pass those CNA exam questions with ease. Welcome to TopPoint Healthcare Training Hub. Here we'll be learning one of the most important skills for CNA, which is called military time. Military time is also known as a 24-hour time. You will use military time when documenting care, recording vital signs, charting intake and output, and when communicating with your nurse manager or the nurse in charge and other healthcare staff. Military time is used in hospitals, nursing homes, and healthcare facilities. It helps ensure accurate documentation. So now, let's do some conversion of military time and ordinary time. Let's start by drawing the face of a clock and filling in the numbers. For regular time, you have AM and PM. For military time, there is no AM and there is no PM. So for example, 1 PM to military time, it's 1300. And I'll show you the easy way that you can come up with those numbers for your military time. Let's go ahead and start with 12 midnight. For 12 midnight in military time, you either put 2 zeros, 4 zeros, or you put 2400. This is what it's supposed to be in military time, and for regular time, this is midnight. So this is supposed to be 12 AM. All right. So now, when you have 4 zeros for 12 AM or 2400, or 1 AM, it is 0100. 2 AM, 0200. 3 AM, 0300, and then 4, 0800, 0900, 1000, 1100. This is what your numbers are going to be for AM. Let's go to PM now. So for 12 PM, your numbers should be 1200, okay? And then now, to get your 1 PM in military time, you can either add 12, so 12 plus 1 will give you 1300, and that's 1 PM. So 1 PM is 1300 for military time. Now let's finish up the rest. 12 plus 2 will give you 1400. 12 plus 3 will give you 1500, 1600, 1700, 1800, 2300, sorry, 20, this should be 20, 2100, 2200, 2300, and then back to 12 AM. So the numbers in blue are your military number, and the one in red is also your military number but in AM. The blue is military number in PM, and then the black is just your regular number. For example, let's say you're given 3 PM and you're told to transfer that to military time. Like I said, the most easy way for you to do that is 3 plus 12, that's 15, and that's 1500. One thing you need to remember is for military time, there is no PM and there is no AM. It's just numbers, and it has to be 4 numbers. Let's do another conversion. 8 PM to military time. 8 plus 12 is 20. And that is what you're supposed to get. Hope this was an easy way for you to learn military time or conversion from ordinary time to military time. Congratulations, you just learned one of the most important documentation skills every CNA needs to know, which is military time. Before you go, try answering the quiz questions in the comment section below and let me know how you did. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a CNA skills lesson again. At TopPoint Healthcare Training Hub, our goal is to help you build the confidence, master CNA skills, and succeed on your state exam and in your healthcare career. Thank you for watching. Stay focused, keep learning, and remember, every skill you learn today helps you provide better care tomorrow.